So by making these cutting boards, I end up with some scrap pieces as I cut these corners off, right? And from there, I'll take these and I cut some 2-inch circles, 2.5-inch circles, and glued up some blanks. And what I want to do now is go ahead and turn a toothpick holder. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna try to get that centered. This isn't an exact cylinder, so I'm just gonna eyeball this. Try to get this close. Let me see, maybe over there. Let's try this over here. Okay, not bad. Let's get this turning. So I call this poor man's segmenting, and we'll see how nice that looks. So we're gonna have all kind of colors. We got Paduke, cherry, walnut, purple heart, mahogany in this, all kind of things. Okay, I'm okay with this shape, and now I'm gonna have to rechuck it so I can drill a hole in here for the toothpicks. Okay, so I got a 7/8 inch bit here, and I'm gonna drill this at about 500 RPM. Love using the lathe as a drill press. I like to clear the chips out frequently so nothing breaks. Smells great, especially the Paduke. That yellow heart's really sticking. All right, so let's test inside with a toothpick. Okay, it's sticking out just enough. And just checking to see if I like the shape. And I do. So I'm going to go ahead and start sanding it. I think I'm going to refine the shape a little bit more. I'm going to get a little tailstock support here and play with the shape a little bit more. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite finish, triple E polish. This in combination with Mylan's friction polish is my favorite quickie finish. It's durable, it looks good, it's fast, and like I said, I do this on all different types of products. And this is my old standby. I do this on pens and baseball bats, and even now a little toothpick holder. Done this on pepper mills also, tops. Great little finish. Of course, there's a million different finishes you can put on your products. Let's see how this looks. It's so fast. I love the automatic brake feature on my Nova Galaxy. So that looks already pretty shiny. And I'm not even going to have to reverse chuck this thing. I think I'm just going to be able to part this off down at the bottom here. Do that in a minute. Let's get some of the Mylans on. This is a fantastic way to get rid of your scraps, especially off these pizza boards that I've been making. Made a couple pens with them so far, also with these little scrap pieces. I'm going to put some in my wood stove, and I'm going to ship some off to one of my buddies who wants to make a bunch of pens. Put 3 coats on, and I've already given some of it away for another buddy who's going to put some into his wood stove. But I'd say I made so many of these pizza boards. I made about 2 dozen of them so far. I got more scraps than I really need, so I did give some of it away. Let's see how it looks. Woohoo! Look at that. Love it when a finish comes together. Okay, so let's part this thing off now. I just sharpen up my parting tool. Safety precaution, I'm just going to bring this in just a little bit. I'm not going to touch that, just in case it does fly off. So I'm going to do a little bit of a concave shape inside on the bottom here. Okay, so obviously that flew off the lathe. I made that a little bit too thin. I should have stopped. But I'm just going to be able to cut this off and sand the bottom, and it'll be all right. It didn't break. Okay, so I knocked at that. It was about a 1/4 inch nub there, and I cut that off with a little saw, a little cutoff saw. And I'm going to get the majority of this with this little Dremel tool. I use this tool in a lot of applications like this. Back in a minute. Okay, I chucked up a sanding pad. I'm just going to smooth out that bottom a little bit. Let's see, let's take it up a little bit more. Put a little more finish on the bottom, and we're almost done. Well, cool. That's how you do a quickie scrap wood project. Check that out. Like I said, this is poor man's segmenting. Okay, here's the two shapes, very similar. Like I said, the one on the right, it's got a little bit sharper top. And hey, nice little project, 10-minute project, and looks nice. So I hope you liked that project and video. If this is your first time here, please consider liking and subscribing. If you're a returning viewer, thanks very much for supporting my channel. And you guys know the drill. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on another episode of Bob's Woodshop.